how to install Rapido Captain and iPhone. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Rapido Captain app on your iPhone. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the App Store. At the bottom, tap on the Search tab. In the search bar, type Rapido Captain and hit search. You'll see the Rapido Captain app appear in the results. It's usually listed with the Rapido logo and mentions Captain clearly in the title. Now, tap on the Get button next to the app. If asked, authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The download will start immediately, just wait a few moments for it to finish installing. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the Rapido Captain app. Now, you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, complete your verification if needed, and you're ready to start accepting rides. And that's it. You've now successfully installed the Rapido Captain app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.